In this video, I wanted to share my some internal feelings which I actually want to share with you all. It's something which is always going in our mind, and we wanted to change ourselves, but somehow we could not able to uh, change, and we don't know where to go, how to go about it. We want change most of the time. Most of the people, even though today are feeling the same, which we have been feeling since so long, that we need a change, and a change which gives us the meaningful and purposeful, obviously getting success. Now the success, if you talk about, it means different to different people. I mean, the success means to me may be different to you, and the success means to you may be different to someone else. Surely success is something which you do and which you achieve, and which comes something meaningful while acquiring wisdom. Anyhow, I will cover this success part and the definition of success surely little bit later on. But today, if I talk about the change, and the change which everyone, every time, every point of time, they are thinking they want some change, and change in their life, change in lifestyle, change in their working model, change in the relationship, for having a better relationships, what they want to do, what they need to do, what one person need to do. And let me share three things which can make, which can create, which can add more value to your life. Think big, think big, think big. So you must be wondering why I'm reiterating think big. See, big itself is something which is vast. So let me explain you what I mean to say by big. B. B means books. Read more books. Most of the time people say they don't have a time. My dear friends, unless you start having your mindset to read more books, you cannot have your mind level reach to the highest level. So you need to understand, reading more books. Just 10 minutes a day can complete one book a month. Surely start reading it, and you will see the difference in you. And people don't want, see, it is not about you need to know everything. You need to know what you want to achieve in your life. It is purely, if you want to have earn more money, and earning money is a success to you, then read a books which helps you to make money. So if you talk about making good relationships, and you want to manage the relationship in a better way, then start reading the books. So other examples are there in the library. You read whatever you want to do and achieve in your life. So start reading the books related to that. I means simple individuals you meet. Most of the good people says that you are an average of five people, though you are around with day in day out. So you need to have a more smarter people around you who can take you to the next level. You have to find it. How are you taking? You have to ask yourself, or you have to ask those five people where they can take you, whether they are taking to you at next level or not. Last, G. third one is the G. What's G? G is a goal setting. You have to set a goals. Most of the people, they don't know even how to set the goals, and there is no fault in it, because people keep the goals and keep higher goals to hit those goals, but somehow we could not able to achieve that goal. I'll give you one example. If I may ask you to have an idea to do one thing, you should have a multiple 20 ideas. You may say that it's okay, we can do more than 30 also. Yeah, that is what I mean to say. When you set your goal, you need to have a multiple ideas to reach to that level. That helps you to do the right goal setting, and you can achieve. So believe in big, read books, meet individuals. Those 5 individuals, those are above your intelligence. They have achieved well in their life, and they can be a coach to you also. Third, goal setting. If you can keep the goal, and that should be higher to achieve it, have a set plan and hit for that goal. Thank you. This is Ankush Kesud, father of 2 smart kids, 2 dogs, married to a Wonder Woman, son of winner parents, soccer player in the school days, got rich experience, almost 17 years, worked for multinational companies, co-founder of A to Z Marketing Trends, a real estate agency since year 2014. Very clear mission in mind, giving fair and flawless deals to the clients. Turned web real estate strategist and a coach, having a vision to support builders who they are underperforming, unable to procure the sales, and they wanted to regain their position in the market. I help new realtors, entrepreneurs to start their journey as a realtorpreneur and go achieve their big dreams and have a meaningful life, which can help to have a better society and change our industry with a specific mohim of thinking all over the world. Thank you.